With all that being said, let's jump right into the style. Not the styling, the application, then the styling. See, girl, you was flowing, okay? You was flowing. You probably hungry. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review and a styling session on this 4x4, I believe it's a 4x4 closure wig, and it's from Isee Hair. Y'all know the drill. I'll leave all their information down below in my description box, as well as a direct link to this wig. This wig is super affordable and it's super easy, great for everyday wear, to work, around the house, whatever have you. I love closure wigs because they are beginner friendly and they just like easy to pop on and go, and I'm all about that life. So I wanted to do this video a little bit different. This is like my third or fourth time wearing this wig, so I can give you guys a little bit of a review. But I wanted to style this wig in some different ways, and I actually wanted to add some curls to it because this is how the wig looks in its natural state after you wash it. It comes in that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add a clip of the unboxing of this wig. It comes with the traditional body wave texture, but once you wash it, you are left with this beautiful natural wave, which I love. It's like the girl next door, throw on and go kind of style, but it's so fashionable at the same time. Anyways, let me tell you my exact specs of this wig, and then we're going to hop right into the styling session. And I am going to insert a quick clip of how easy it was to apply this wig. So they're currently having a sale, so all wigs and bundles are up to 30% off, and I have a $15 coupon code that I will link down below in the description box. The specs of my wig is 18 inches, which I am loving this natural length, and the density is 180%. It's nice and full, but not too full. I do feel like it's more like 150% density, and like I said once before, the texture is Brazilian body wave. And yes, it's a 4x4 lace closure wig. It's a couple coupon codes that they shared with me, so I will link them all in the description box. So if you want to save you some shmoney, go ahead and check there. Wanted to come in and talk about this style really quick. Y'all, this would be a perfect look for like a wedding or some type of formal. You can be the bride, the bridesmaid. You could just be serving a look, sis. Very elegant. The headband set it off, okay? It set it off. So as you guys can see, this hair gets super straight and sleek. How versatile is this wig, y'all? You can wear it casually and you can glam it up, or you can just go for a sleek, like I'm stepping out, or you can dress it down and just make it be like, okay, we chilling or whatever. So this wig, yeah, it's a winner for me. I don't know, it's something about the quality and the texture of this wig. It's just giving me life, along with the length, and the ends and everything are intact. Isee Hair, I see you. I see you. Took about maybe 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through them really quickly so y'all can get the judge of it all. And I can already tell that this hair will hold a curl very nicely, but that's what most of any body wave wigs or textures, they typically hold a curl very well. So if you want a wig that you can curl up, wear straight, and just have endless styling sessions such as this, then this is it. And ooh, she's looking glam. Yes, typically I probably would cut layers into it, but you know, I'm trying to give you some of this what you see is what you get kind of vibes. The only thing I would say about, you know, any kind of straight wig, make sure your braids are braided down pretty flatly, because this is irritating me because I have some big braids under this wig, but that ain't got nothing to do with this wig. So the only cons I would say about this unit is that it has a lot of flyaways, so you got to figure out a way to tame those. That's it. And the light shedding, other than that, you guys just heard the pros. Endless styling, texture is gorgeous, price is super affordable. If you wanted to, you can part it anywhere within that 4x4 space. So if you want a left side part, a right side part, or a middle part, then you can achieve that with this look. The application is so easy. You don't even really have to adhere it down if you don't want to. I'm just a little extra about that. You can get away with no baby hairs. I just did a swoop on each side, just, you know, to make everything flow the way that I like it. So Isee Hair, come here, sis. Yes, did that. I know I've tried their units before, and my daughter actually ordered a curly hair wig from them and she loves it. So I'm here for Isee Hair, and she paid her own coins and she had a fairly good experience. If she has a video for her wig, I think she does. I'll link that down below. But other than that, y'all, let me know what you think about the styles that I created. Which one was your favorite? Do you like these kind of longer videos where I kind of do a little bit of talking through? Let me know. I'm trying to switch it up around here. And how you feel about the length of this. I think 18 inches is perfect for everyday wear. Yes, Isee Hair's information will be down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. If you want to become a part of OhSo Fam, you can do so by subscribing. And with all that being said, y'all, I'm tired. I'm a little hungry. I'm about to go. It's 8:30 at night, you know. She got things to do. I'm lying. All right, y'all. See you guys in my next video.